what's up everybody? Welcome back to Ubante Garage. Today we are going to be finishing these end plates on the Evo. The last time, if you guys saw it, I was working on these and I did change the design a little bit this past week. Trimmed it up a little bit, changed it up, but I'm super hyped to get this design finished. Just see the end product, everything wrapped into the carbon fiber wrap. I'm gonna go knock this out and let's go get this thing started. All right, so first thing first, I'm gonna remove this guy and this guy, and then I'm gonna be copying it because I already removed the passenger side and I need to duplicate these, sand them all down, wrap them, and then this project will be done. So it actually took me a really long time to come out with this design. It's pretty wild, but after looking at it yesterday, this line flowing to this line and this complementing this section would be so sick. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the tables and we'll get to this. Also, if you guys are wondering what I'm recording on, I'm recording on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I am actually using 4K 30 FPS. Well, actually 24. That's pretty crazy. Ding! I'm pretty sure the wife's rolling in. Oh, too close. Ding! Alright, so it looks super good. Except I don't like this bracket here. I actually flipped it over so I could run this design. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it back further and then mount the rivet over here. That means I gotta remake this fin. No big deal. I do need to copy everything after this, so I'm gonna go reposition this bracket and then copy the other side, mount everything, and we'll be done with this project. All right, got that bracket sorted. Let's go copy these things. Now I gotta be super anal with this copy so it turns out as good as possible. Two right there. Now, we're almost getting drilled holes. Almost. This is actually my original table from day one when I started doing all this stuff. So as you can see, it has like 1,000 holes on it. And it's still surviving, so. And there we go. Have our last one. Now I'm gonna go cut these all out and we'll be golden, but we'll go time lapse that one. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 cut out. Now, I gotta clean up all the edges and then we'll sand down the whole face so that I can wrap it and it'll be as perfect as possible. Let's keep time-lapsing this hoe. As you guys seen, all of them are done. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, all sanded down to perfection and ready to be cleaned off and then wrapped. So I'm gonna go wash these up, clean up, and then we'll jump to the damn dining room, table where I wrap everything. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen and we are about to wrap everything. I got my pliers to break the blades, you got my razor blades, heat gun, and some recycled wrap. So this is 7D carbon fiber wrap that I picked up off eBay, and it's what I use for everything because it looks really good. If you guys want some good carbon fiber looking things, recommend this carbon fiber. 7D, super gloss, super nasty. Alright, I've already time-lapsed the whole entire video, so we're gonna keep time-lapsing and we'll go knock out this wrap. Cut out these mounting holes and we are set. So let's just jump over to the garage and install these things. All right guys, it is a new day and we are in the garage with the Evo. I already pre-mounted the sides, and let me tell you that this is absolutely insane. Look at that. This stuff lined up just how I wanted it to. Whew. You can see through the hole. Absolutely crazy looking design. All I gotta do that's left is put the bracket on the back of this, mount it to here like the rest of them, and then I can go ahead and rivet everything on. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna go ahead and plug the battery back into the Evo, start her up, move her out so I can get to the other side, and then we are going to finish this project up. Let's do it. Sorry, but at least it started. Let's go bolt, drill out this stuff, and finish this project. Yeah, enjoy the engine noises. And I gotta plug you guys in. This thing's dead. Oh, the exhaust fumes are burning my eyeballs. Since we got all that, now we just gotta bolt everything. This project is coming along so slow. And one side is done. I'm gonna just jump to the other side being complete because if it doesn't fit, I don't want you guys watching me go through that headache. And we'll jump to the end. It's pooping done. The setup is absolutely insane. This stuff came out crazier and crazier as I thought about making it. It took me so long to revamp this design because I was trying to figure out exactly what to do. This isn't exactly what I wanted it to be, but this is about as insane as I get right now. But once I start bending ABS, you'll see what I have next in mind. So this is version 2.2, I guess. I don't know, 5, maybe, I don't know. But this is the 4th time I am revamping my sides. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys think this design was a little bit over the top, if it's perfect, if this is the sickest thing you've ever seen, because it's definitely the sickest thing I've ever made. So, super hyped. Let me know what you guys think, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. I know it was a long build. I don't know if the video is long or not, but if it was, thank you guys for reaching the end. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys dig the iPhone vlogging because it's a little bit clearer than the GoPro, and yeah, it's just really convenient. I can just airdrop everything super quick and easy to transfer through my computer and get to editing the videos for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.